assignment. My first assignment starts from the main Java. And then after all, the main Java, the method main will execute and create a new starting object and then pass a intended created player information. And for now, 1 stands for creating a new player called Mountain Gorilla, and 2 stands for North Gorilla, and 3 stands for a character called Long Arm Gorilla. So now it will create a new role in a new game. After all, in this new game, it will start and get the player. So now it's going to switch and pass in a number and then create a mountain gorilla, north gorilla, or long arm gorilla, which is going to be these 3 files. And these 3 files is going to extend the character that have the general methods, which will allows these 3 gorilla inherit these all methods. And now in main, it will start execute, and then if I start run, it will give the first player name called Justin Bieber, and its default its past parameter x position will be 40, and then position y will be -20, as can be shown in here. And then after all, if I want to print this information about the game of the row 1, I have this and game start, and then it will create a gorilla objects and then pass in the here, and then in the main it will get the player to catch the roll from here. So and then why do we have this statement, this print? Over here is detail. That was because in character.java I overwritten a toString method, which is built in a mountain gorilla. So whenever the mountain gorilla got called, it will call its constructor, and then it will call its parent's constructor, and then calls the constructor here probably using the overloading, or by default not passing anything. So it will call the constructor, the parent's method, and after all, it will runs itself constructor, and then overrides the default specialty of a general default bump that I created for every general character class. And then after all, So we can now get the position of x, y, its score, and how many times it throw. And we can set the power, set the angle, and then print those details. Let's run it. Okay. 40. And then we set, the power used to be 30, and then angle used to be 0. We set 160. Okay. And then we can still build other methods, build other objects, like second row, like Johnny Depp is a North gorilla, and Jennifer Lawrence is a long arm gorilla. And then if you don't pass any parameters, you're going to print the default value. Okay, let's run it. Run. Here. And here. If it's a default, you're going to be 100 and 100 position. Yeah, and each of the row have each of their own different bump, which override the default one in a character class. And this is pretty much all I have done in my project. Thank you.